Hey guys, welcome to our Showroom Spotlight. My name is Kirsten. I'm a parts sales rep here on the front counter at Utility Keystone, and today we're going to talk about hubs. So with the difference of hubs that we stock here and sell personally for our trailers is a P spindle hub, which means parallel, and an N spindle hub, which means narrow. Now, both of the bearings in the parallel hub are going to be the same size, so they're going to both be the larger ones. And then for the narrow spindle hubs, the bearings are two different sizes. You have one small and one large bearing. And with that being said, the wheel seals are also going to be different. As well as the wheel seals, hubcaps are also going to vary in size. Our parallel spindles, the best way to show you how they differentiate is they do not go straight down the side. They taper off and then they go straight. And then with the narrow spindle, they're half the size of the parallel and they go straight down. So as you can see here, larger hubcap, smaller hubcap. Another detail that you're going to want to consider is the stud length. If you have steel wheels, you're going to want a shorter stud, and if you have an aluminum wheel, then you're going to want a longer stud. Whether both of them are aluminum or just the outside is aluminum, you still need a longer stud so that way the wheels sit on properly. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any of our parts sales team members here at Utility, and I'll see you guys next week for the next Showroom Spotlight.